Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Guess what? It has come. I have my Boxycharm Luxe Box for September. Let's get in here and see what I've got. So in all fairness, I have had this for a couple of days. Not very many, but I am anxious to get in here and see what I've got. I have been waiting to find out my variation. With Boxycharm, you know the couple of products that they let you pick, but everything else is a surprise. And I saw somebody hold up, and I'm not sure if it was for this one or the premium for this month, 115. Variation 115. So there are a lot of variations out there. So let's dig right into this, and I will tell you that Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box. They have 3 different products. They have the base box, which can come every month, and it is $25 per month, and it comes with 5 products and a guaranteed value of $125. There is the premium, which you can also receive every month, and it is $35, and it has 6 to 7 products in it with a value of $175 or more. And if you so choose, every 3rd month you can upgrade your regular Boxycharm box to a BoxyLuxe, which I think is supposed to have 8 products in it and a value of $250 or more. All right, I've gotten it open. And that is what the inside looks like. Oh, I'm so happy. I wanted this so bad. I know, I've heard mixed reviews about the quality, but I still kind of wanted it. Okay, anyway, enough peeking. My card. All right, so we're just gonna dig right into this. I'm gonna glass up and tell you guys that I am a variation 117. Guys, I really hope this comes across. 117. Oh my goodness. 117. Wow. All right. I wonder if that, we've never been able to work out why some months you get it faster and some months you get it slower. I wonder if when you receive it is relative to the variation number. I'm sure somebody much smarter than me has thought of this, but I wonder if they do all of the variation 1s and then 2s and then 3s. What do you guys think? Let me know below. What do you think of my awesome new theory that somebody else probably talked about a long time ago, but I didn't hear, and I'm gonna pretend like it's my own, right? Because that would explain 117, why mine came so late. Let me know what your number was and when you got yours. Okay, digging right in, and we're gonna start with this because I know people have had mixed reviews about this, but I really kind of wanted it if for no other reason than the case. It's like a fake leatherette pink case, and inside there's brushes. Spoiler, there's brushes, and they are just pretty pink brushes. How cute are these? So it looks like we have 4 face brushes and then 8 eye brushes. So we'll see what the paperwork says. I want to hold these up, but I kind of want, here, let's do this. We'll settle for middle ground. I kind of want to just hold up the case because frankly, that's what I'm most excited about. I feel like a kid at Christmas. I'm more excited about the box than what's in it. This says that is the Pure Complexion Authority Signature Travel Essentials 12-piece cruelty-free brush set. Wow, that's a mouthful. With a luxurious blend of irresistibly soft synthetic fibers, each brush is designed to pick up and distribute makeup evenly and precisely with less fallout. These professional quality brushes have everything you need to create a flawless look on the go. $49. All right, let's just take one of them out and see what we think about the bristles. I do like the length of the brush. I like that it's a shorter handle because it's for travel. It feels okay. There are nicer brushes, but they might be great for travel. Like if you don't want to take your real brushes with you, I will definitely set them aside. I'm going to keep this one separate since we know I touch this one and not these in case I decide to perhaps give the brushes away. But you know what? I will be keeping this lovely case. I mean, how cute is that? So cute. I kept this little file separate. Okay. All right. Digging in next, I see my choice. Do we have 1 or 2 choices for Luxe? I forget. We'll see when we get there. This is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. And I know, I usually steer clear of vitamin C's, but believe it or not, my entire face is very sensitive. Where I am least sensitive is right under my eyes. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try. So that is what the box looks like. And then this is what the jar looks like. It's definitely cute. Let's read about it. Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream with Acerola Cherry, a super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Yay. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area, clean, fragrance-free formula, $45. So this is by Pharmacy, and I haven't used any of the products in this line because as a rule my face is too sensitive, but I thought this would be fun to try. It does not smell like cherries. I have to admit to kind of wanting it to smell like cherries. I'm gonna put just a little bit on my pinky and we will see how it feels. More importantly, we'll see how it absorbs because I walk a really fine line under my eyes. I want things to absorb really well. I also don't want them to absorb completely so that as I layer, it's a fine line. So when I put it on the back of my hand, it's just a white cream. Oh yeah, it's absorbing immediately. Again, it does not smell like cherries. Does not have much of a scent at all. I think this might walk that line between absorbing and yet leaving just a skosh. I don't know if you guys can see, it left me a little shiny. Just a little bit of moisture. I feel like if there's just a little moisture left there, my foundation doesn't sink in as much and my concealer doesn't sink in as much. Who knows if it's true. Reaching in next, I have a $1 billion beauty sponge. That is what that looks like. Oop, glasses. $1 billion beauty charcoal beauty sponge. Charcoal. Ooh. This charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter. $15. Applicator? Are they calling this whole thing an applicator? Let's see what's up. You guys know I love a beauty sponge. Yeah, it just feels like a beauty sponge. It's a little more dense than a beauty blender. That is the beauty blender by which I measure all other beauty sponges, which if you guys watch the channel, you know I call them all beauty blenders, but they're not. Beauty blender and then beauty sponge. But yeah, this is a little more dense. Not that that's a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. But look, it's got the little $1 billion brows on it. That's so cute. Charcoal infused. What's the beauty of that? They didn't talk about that, did they? But the box says it is charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and there are no artificial dyes. Well, that's kind of cool. I mean, it's kind of a dull gray, but that's probably better than artificial dyes. Okay, reaching in next, I have a very big box. It is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatments. I received these in other boxes, and I actually just gave away one with each of my giveaways. I don't keep them for myself because they have licorice root in them, but I should read it and make sure they haven't taken it out. You know, sometimes formulas change. Oh no, it has both licorice and grapefruit in it. Wow, throw in a little shrimp and it's a real Kathrin trifecta. So I will find a new home for these, but let me read to you about them. It is 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, 5-pack, $135 value. Yes. How sad am I that I can't use these? The ultimate pre-event mask. This hydrogel formula infuses the skin with radiance boosting ingredients for a glowing complexion. Then we have the Persona lip gloss. I don't know anything about this. It is vegan and cruelty free, and I received it in toffee. Let's look at this. That is what it looks like. And I am gonna go ahead and set this aside too. I have been keeping some warmer lips. I've kept some warmer lipsticks, some warmer lip glosses, but I don't need a lot of them. I am much better in cool tones, and while I have kept some for the fall season, I'm gonna go ahead and set this aside, but let me tell you that it says Persona Cosmetics Season 1 Lip Gloss. Remember the first time you wore a lip gloss and how it made you feel? I mean, I kinda do because I remember being allowed to wear them and feeling like I was a grown-up. Sultry, effortless, and instantly refreshed. Nope, mostly I thought, yippee, I get to wear lip gloss. Okay, anyway, we took that magic feeling of a gloss, eliminated the tacky, glittery gooiness, and added nourishing oils to create a comfortable, high shine formula that you actually want to wear. $16 value. Well, again, I'm not gonna swatch it because it's just not a great color for me and I'd hate to not be able to pass it on, but that is what it looks like. Reaching in next, I have a Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum. Oh, I think I chose this too. So we must have had two choices with Luxe. Yes, because I'm pretty sure I read the ingredients and I could use this. So I went ahead and got it. So I just reread the ingredients and I can indeed use it. But one of the ingredients in here is sweet potato extract. And I don't know why, but I find that very amusing. All right. That is what that looks like. It kind of matches my room. Let's read about it and then we'll put a little bit on the back of my hand. I just realized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products deep. The only thing that I really had to try on so far is eye cream on the back of my hands. And now this. In all fairness, I'm not trying on the lippy, but not really makeup. Interesting. Milk Makeup Melatonin Overnight Serum. An overnight serum that rejuvenates, hydrates, and calms so you wake to a visibly bouncier, smoother, more refreshed looking skin. $36. Wow. All right, well, let's see what this feels like and smells like. Yeah, it really is purple like my room. Hope that comes across. It smells like lavender. Oh, wow, that feels so cool. Oh my goodness, that feels so good on the back of my hand. Can you guys see where it's just right in here, a little shiny? That is where I put it. Oh, wow, that lavender feels so good. Oh my gosh, guys, that feels so cooling and good. It does have a slight, very, very slight lavender scent. I would say if you were scent sensitive, the fragrance sensitive, that you could definitely wear this. And ooh, the difference in my hand between where I just put it and where I didn't is amazing. Wow. I am so excited that I can use this, and I am so ready to try it. It sounds fantastic. All right, reaching in next, we have a Fenty product. We had in our premium a full Fenty box one time. So this is the Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter in Metal Moon. Well, let's see if Metal Moon is a color I can use. Fingers crossed. I have seen some blue ones and some light ones and some very dark ones. Moon sounds like it's not going to be dark, right? Let's see. Guys, didn't most people get like 2 on each side? I kind of saw a couple that I liked, but I would not trade this even a little bit. No, I wouldn't. I got a white one, guys. It's just a white highlighter. Did that show it enough? Here, let me come back at you with this. Let me take the plastic off and come back at you like that. I hope that shows how white it is. Oh my gosh. Well, we're swatching this. I cannot believe I got a basic white one. Oh my goodness, watch me, let me show you this. When you put it on your finger, look how white it is. When you put it on here, I hope that's showing. It goes kind of gold. That is so cool. That's so wearable. I am so happy. I cannot believe. There were a lot of unusual colors of this going around, and I cannot believe that I got this one. Let me read about it while I'm still riding my high. Fenty Beauty Killawatt Freestyle Highlighter. Light up where you want, when you want, with weightless, long-wear cream powder hybrid highlighters that range from subtle day glow to insanely supercharged in solos and expertly paired duos that instantly melt into the skin and blend with almost zero effort. $36. That did. I mean, it just melted right into my skin. That is like, it is gorgeous. I use my Hourglass on my nose and for my highlighter these days. I think I'm gonna give it a break and give this one a try. And reaching in, last but not least, I have a palette. I think that everybody got this palette. I messed up this story when I did my Boxycharm Premium because I thought in your premium you got either this palette or that palette. So I don't know if everybody got this Hip Dot. Let me know below what you know. But I got the Hip Dot. Ooh, what's it called? Just Hip Dot? Oh, Zion Pressed Pigment Palette. So it's pressed pigments. So these are going to be some great colors. Let's get in here and give it a look-see. This is a gorgeous fall palette. I am trying to decide. It looks, I've gotten these colors a lot recently, but they are beautiful. This is so pretty. And I hate to say this in a box where I just really couldn't swatch much for you guys. I'm not going to swatch this because it is warm, but more importantly, I think I have a lot of these colors in other palettes, but I'm going to set this aside for now. If I decide to use it, I will sure let you guys know when I've done a look with it so that you can see how it works. But yeah, I feel like I just have so many of these colors and I hate not swatching it because it is, I mean, how beautiful. Can you guys tell this purple? I really hope that's coming across. I have the plastic on here, by the way. It is gorgeous. And the pink, I mean, there are great colors in here, but I feel like I have them. I'm gonna leave this unswatched because I wanna be able to pass it along, but let me tell you guys a little bit about it. This says, Hip Dot Zion Eyeshadow Palette. Conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons, take your look to the next level with the dramatic reds, deep oranges, and rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil-free. $30 value. I know, it's beautiful, but I'm just afraid I won't use it enough, and this would be a shame not to find a great home for. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. Let me know below, what did you think? What do you think about the fact that I got variation 117 and it came really late? Do you think maybe the numbers and the variations have to do with when they ship out? everyone is always trying to make sense of why some come so early, some come so late. Let me know below what you think about that theory, and let me know below what your favorite product was. I have a couple of favorites. I am so excited I got that case. I'm going to use it. I'm going to love it. I am surprised by how much I like this. The Milk Melatonin Serum for overnight. It felt so smooth and it had such a light scent, and I can use all of the ingredients in it. I am surprised by how anxious I am to try this. And I got a color I can use. And I just did the math on my box, and my box variation 117 had a $362 value. I mean, that's a really good value, and I definitely got my money's worth. When you turn your base box into a Luxie, kind of like it happens magically, it is $49.99. I easily got my money's worth this month, even though there are several things I am passing along. I more than got my money's worth. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to come over, and please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.